to our youth. Let us all imagine what kind of future we can build together with all of us eating vegetables and practicing good nutrition. We will have a population that builds and leads healthy communities, resulting in a strong and thriving nation.
Thank you, Miss Jonathan. Well said. Para tayo nasa Miss Universe. Yes. Now, what's up, Miss Bea?
Alright, I agree with Miss Ira, Miss Jonathan. No? So, when young people, kayo mga kabata, you associate eating veggies with good energy, with good health, with confidence, diba? It's more likely that you'll be choosing to eat veggies and it will be part of your choice in your daily lifestyle. So the operative word is choice. So that's something you now have Gen Zs. Di ba Gen Zs kayo? Tama ba? And we can impart you knowledge, give you skills, give you tools, but it's always up to you to choose healthy. So I hope all of us here can be all part of the I Love Vegalicious movement, and let's all eat well and live well.
Thank you, Miss Bea. Now, let's have Dr. Dayamina.
First of all, I would like to thank Red Scope and Junior Mountain for having this summit, a very successful one. Well, I usually end my panel presentation or discussion with a call to action. I have 3 takeaways to leave you all guys. A, B, C. A, always advocate to your friends and peers, especially those who are not here, to include vegetables and fruits in their everyday meals. And second, B, boost your health and immunity by eating veggies and fruits as well. Kaya na lahat ito. This lunch, wala na too much carbo, too much fats, too much matatamis, lahat ng wala